Hey there! Welcome back to the Biofield Hacker channel. As always, before we dive in, just a quick note, I'm not a medical, psychological, legal, or financial expert, nor do I claim to be. Just a quick heads up, today's video will not include a specific field hack per se. Just consider the whole video one big field hack if you'd like to reflect on what it brings up for you and what you'd like to do about it, if anything, about that insight. When you're given gifts from the universe, people, situations, experiences, albeit sometimes undercover gifts, where you don't realize them for what they are in their entirety at the time. When you're given those gifts and you mishandle them and don't come from your heart with your thoughts, emotions, or actions, and you come from a place of ego due to wounding, you'll ultimately pay for that choice, that failed universal test, with additional angst around that same lesson. You'll deal with that same situation or experience or test of values, integrity, morals, and heart. It'll just be a more severe lesson. I like to think of it as a universal kick in the ass, and I've gotten plenty of those, to pay better attention this time. Even if the proverbial kick in the ass ends up physically or emotionally face planting you into the ground, feeling like you're spitting out lots of mud out of your mouth. The energy in which you approach said situation in the first place sent a message to the universe about what energy you'd like returned to you, whether you explicitly decided to send that message or not. With your thoughts, behaviors, your energy doesn't lie. Just your mouth and actions can. And like a good parent who doesn't coddle you or tolerate your bad behavior by enabling it, it'll provide another opportunity for you to choose different in a better energy, but with a more amped up flair in the situation or experience thrown at you. Because clearly your ego prevented you from choosing the gift versus the lesson the first time, or in some cases, the 50th time, to choose better. I'm laughing because I've had these so many times, and sometimes it's been the 50th lesson. So the universe creates an opportunity, custom designed just for you, that demolishes that ego so you're able to choose better, to be better. Deciding with your own free will to raise your own vibrations and the energy that you exert with your approach to said situation or experience. And if you use your logic to observe the patterns in your life that keep repeating through the lens of total honesty with self and total honesty of self and complete self-accountability and ownership, you'll grow, heal, and evolve accordingly. As the highest energies that you can put out to the universe are complete authenticity that comes from the heart and unconditional love of both yourself and others. It's really elegantly simple when you think about it, isn't it? Overriding your selfish need to protect your ego, your pride, your dishonesty, your greed, or even cognitive dissonance that enables excuses to avoid doing the right thing that's aligned with your integrity and your heart. So let's be direct here and call a spade a spade. Any other thought, emotion, or choice that diverges from that is actually just a cop-out for a lack of self-responsibility and integrity. They're just your weak excuses for yourself and cop-outs that protect your I can'ts. Instead of accepting your clarity and ownership about the fact that your actions, or frankly non-actions in some cases, just come from a diluted lack of courage to justify your I won't. Once you admit that, and not an easy feat, I realize, even to yourself, that's where the real work and the beauty of the hidden gift unfolds. And you rise from the ground, wipe that proverbial mud out of your mouth, and are seated in the fact that you're now both wiser and a better human being, because you allowed yourself to be one, and you own it. Until next time, have a great day.